This is a short descriptive video of a Citizen 5RD025 Japanese flip alarm clock. It's a 12-hour clock, so not a 24-hour clock. I got this clock from Japan. I converted it to 220 volts, 50 hertz, so you can use it in Europe. As you can see, it's working. It is fairly quiet, not extremely quiet, but quiet enough. Let me just quickly sound the alarm. It's not too loud, but it should wake you up if you're not a very heavy sleeper. Polished all around, very nice, vintage condition. Obviously it's used. As I said, it's a 12-hour clock. You set the hours, you set the alarm on off. Let me just quickly show you the label, 220 volts, 50 hertz. That's it. Thank you for watching.